like to work with you because you support me.
Exactly, I do support you, lad. That's what they don't say on the camera most times. Friday morning and it's getting a little bit colder now, Jang, isn't it?
It's a little bit cold for you, not me.
Not for you, mate. I'm used to this. It's 8 degrees. But so we've got our bob hats on, haven't we, this morning to keep us warm.
Why everyone is eating fish and chip every Friday?
You don't understand why everyone eats fish and chips every Friday.
Yeah.
It's just a tradition, I think, lad. Well, it's a working class tradition anyway. So what about fish and chips? Do you like fish and chips?
Yeah, I like fish and chip.
Every day?
Not every day. It's make you fat.
Yeah. It does make you fat, lad. It does make you fat.
Like you.
Tell you what, it's warm now. Steve. Just got to the job and they've not boarded it, so we don't think we can do anything, Jang. And Jang just said, what did he say?
What is building?
He went, belting.
Why are you laughing,
Because
me?
it just means so many things. Belting, it means, oh, belting, we can't work. Oh, belting, we did good. Oh, yeah. Oh, I played good at golf. Belting. Oh, that coffee's good. Belting. That coffee's belting. Oh, it's not even coffee, it's tea. That tea's belting.
Okay, I got it.
This camera is...
Belting.
Yeah. Say it with more enthusiasm, Jan. Come on, get into the spirit. Belting.
Belting?
No, come on, Jan.
Belting.
You gotta give more than that. Just say belting with a B.
Belting.
Yeah, that's more like it. We've got a special guest. We've got KC with us. We're because we can't do anything on that job, we're going to do a little unit job, replacement unit job. He's timed it well, really, because it's a big unit. You wouldn't be able to do it on your own, would you?
Oh, no, it's nearly 2400.
Seatbelts on, you know.
Seatbelts on.
Get us reported, Jan, quick. Seatbelts on.
Seatbelt on.
They're already typing that email out then to police. Job now. Sun's out, so
It's glass, that one at bottom, I think it does.
Shove forward, Jang. See this here? Shove forward. Drink the tea, Mara. Jang? 2 sugar? Yeah, with the cleanest windows in Great Britain. That's the old glass in the back of the van and all tied up.
Good job, wasn't it?
Yes, it was indeed, but we got around the problem, didn't we? That's the main thing.
Yeah, and the customer's really happy.
Right, it's 11 o'clock, off some dinner. Oh, a
We're going
rest.
stacks, I think.
Oh yeah, we're going to Stacks for some tools.